All right, get ready for bigger crowds indoors and outdoors, and say goodbye to masks if you're fully vaccinated. That's just part of what changes next month. State health officials today laying out what a fully reopened California will look like. Welcome everyone to the 4 this afternoon. I'm Alex Savage.
And I'm Jana Katsuyama in for Heather. State health officials are giving details about new COVID-19 rules that are going into effect on June 15th. They include no more capacity limits on businesses, no physical distancing required inside businesses. Mask rules will align with CDC guidelines. Travel guidelines will also be the same as the CDC's. And for outdoor events with more than 10,000 attendees, proof of vaccination or a negative COVID-19 test is recommended. For indoor events with more than 5,000 people, the proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test will be required. Along with those new rules, California also is planning a major change in masking and social distancing policies. KTVU South Bay reporter Jesse Gary joins us live now with the new policy and some reaction, right, Jesse, to the news.
Jana, how are you? It's been a while, and what a time for us to catch up, because it is good news. June the 15th is the day people who are either vaccinated or who test negative can ditch the masks and stand shoulder to shoulder. The emotional party has already begun, followed likely by a tsunami of economic activity.
I'm just glad that we opening back up.
The approximate return to the way things used to be begins June 15th. During a morning conference call, state health officials saying California's COVID numbers are declining while vaccination rates are increasing.
This is a transformational moment for California and public health, not just here, but across the globe.
Health and Human Services Secretary Dr. Mark Galley says starting June 15th, vaccinated people will no longer be required to wear masks indoors or practice social distancing.
I think that when you take the masks off, it's going to be a breath of fresh air.
Those who aren't vaccinated will still be required to mask up and stay 6 feet apart. Additionally, the state will adopt the same masking guidelines as the CDC in an attempt to reduce confusion.
This will be good to have a nice uniform announcement for everyone.
Business owners bracing for a flood of customers are hopeful the lifting of restrictions on those who are vaccinated will be a shot in the arm for their own bottom line.
One way or another, we're going to have a boom.
Strategic management professor Dr. Robert Chapman Wood says the 2020s are shaping up to see the same kind of economic infusion the 1920s saw after the influenza ended.
People that got tired of restrictions, and so there was a lot of excitement. That certainly could happen. There's a lot of money been put into people's pockets during COVID, and a lot of people didn't spend it.
Those dollars will likely flow to multiple industries as Californians begin to feel what life is like on the backside of the COVID crisis.
I'm totally excited for concerts, outdoor music venues, people in the parks picnicking with their kids and dogs, and water parks, amusement parks, everything. I think we all need a little fun.
Amen to that. Health officials say there's still the likelihood of another spat of COVID infections. However, because most people are going to be vaccinated and there'll be fewer COVID positive people in hospitals, the system will not become overwhelmed. June 15th, save the date. We're live in San Jose. Jesse Gary, KTVU, Fox 2 News. We'll head back to you.
Thank you, Jesse. A lot of people circling that on their calendars.